Hey guys, Logan with Enduro Engineering here to show you the rear wheel spacer, seal, and bearing kits that we have available now for the 2023 and current KTM and Husqvarna motorcycles. Alright, so these rear wheel spacer kits we offer in three different ways. You can get it with just the spacers to replace yours when they wear out, or you can get a full complete kit, so when you wear some wheel bearings out you can get the whole kit to freshen up your rear wheel. That'll come with spacers, bearings, and seals. Or for a lot of you guys that have had KTMs and loyal KTMs owner, that you've got rear wheels from previous years. So the rear wheel won't just fit right onto the new KTM and Husqvarna motorcycles, being that the axle is a smaller diameter than the previous XCs and also bigger than the XCW. So it's kind of in between. So we offer a kit now that will replace the seals and the spacers into any previous 2023 or before 2023 KTM wheels. So head over to our website, get yourself a kit, and then you can put those older wheels on your new bike.